Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have some sequins to share with you guys. I placed an order, let me fix the blurriness, on CartWright sequins. I'll have the link down below, but my friend Shara posted Instagram picture showing where she gets her sequins, and I swear I think she got everybody running to go get them because a bunch of people picked them up, including me. I didn't go crazy. I was going to, but I tried to contain myself because you guys, I have been shopping like crazy this month. I'm so guilty of that. But I still picked up a few nice ones that I'm so happy to use and actually can't wait to use. So I'm going to share them with you guys. So the first one that I picked up is this one. How cute is this? Let me bring the zoom back up so you guys can see. And this is, what is this one? It's called the, they have the names on it, the white and black, kind of like, what is it, vertigo print? Yeah, vertigo print. Isn't that cute? Oh, I love those. And then I got pale peach. These, oh my god, those are my favorite. And then I got these willow green. And you guys, you get a lot in the pack. It says that you get 750, and they are very affordable. They're like about $1 something a pack, which is not bad because if you buy sequins from other websites, it's almost like over $3. This is baby pink, and they're like really itty bitty. And then these turquoise ones, these are my least favorite just because I thought they were a little bit more on the greener side and not blue. I'm not a big fan of the blue, but they're still cute and they look like little discs. And then I got these cotton candy. Look at the iridescence on them. And then I picked up these, which are white and black dots. These are so fun. I wanted the vice versa, the white with the black, but they were out of stock. So I'll definitely be going back for those. How fun are these, you guys? Look at this. Mixed colors. Cute. And then I got these, which are light pink. And I don't have anything like this, you guys. These are light pink, but they're flowers. And then the last pack is light pink as well, but they're just flat and not with like anything on it. It's like a matte. Actually, it says like a satin finish. But yeah, you guys, those are the packs that I picked up. You guys should definitely check them out. They have such a great variety. Like, I think my next order is going to be soon. But yeah, definitely check them out. It's just a quick little video to share with you guys the sequins that I picked up. And yeah, that's it for my video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.